Walkman 45, good morning. Just doing some light carpentry and other jobs, and checked the mail between a couple and thought I'd do a fast unboxing and EDC pocket dump. Again, we've all seen these models 1,000 times on YouTube, and there's 1.5 million, but you know, it's still fun to do. All right, so pick this one up. I almost bought it at a Tractor Supply, but it was significantly more expensive than just getting it on Amazon. And I know some of us have strong feelings about Amazon, but I'm not going to pay another giant corporation tons of money. So anyways, yellow synthetic smooth Sodbuster Jr. carbon steel. Right, this is the first, I've got a full-size Sodbuster, red workman, but besides that, the rest of my Saudis are bone. And I might have a wood. No, I think they're all bone. So this is the first one I've had. I think this is the first one I've picked up of the synthetic. Yeah, pretty fat. Much fatter than the bone models. Oh yeah. That's sweet. And this will take some nice tuners, no doubt. Cool. Great little snap. Awesome. I'm going to take this to work today. And I'm still carrying this buck Alaskan guide pretty much every day I can. Well, I am carrying it every single day. I'll probably take it off my belt today because I'm doing a bit of painting and I don't want paint getting all over it. And what else we got? I've got this Swiss Army Alox, again because I'm painting a little bit after I do this carpentry, and I just wanted some extra tools, and I didn't feel like carrying a Leatherman. And flashlight, DCO, I believe. Yes, these are ridiculously expensive, but a buddy helped me get this for a table price or whatever, so I carry it a lot. It's a good torch. Let's see, anything else? I think that's it. All right, Walkman 45.